Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to add Torrentio to Stremio. It's a fast and easy tutorial, so let's get started. First, make sure you have a Stremio PC app installed on your computer. Open your browser and go to google.com. In the search bar, type Stremio and click on the first link that will appear. This will take you to the official Stremio website. The site will automatically detect your operating system. If you are using Windows, click on the Windows download button. If you are using a Mac, click on the Mac download option. Once the download is complete, go to the folder where the file was saved. Right click on it and choose Run as Administrator. Follow the on-screen instructions to install Stremio. Once the installation is complete, open the Stremio app. Next, go back to your browser and open google.com again. Search for Torrentio and click on the first link that appears. On the page, scroll down and click on Exclude Qualities. Choose your preferred video quality such as 4K or any other option that suits you. Then click on Install. You will be prompted to open Stremio. Click Open Stremio. The app will open and display an installation pop-up. Click Install and after a moment, you will receive a notification that Torrentio has been successfully installed. And that's it. And that's how you can add Torrentio to Stremio. If this video was helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to my channel for more informative videos. Until next time, goodbye.